My name is Holley Hayes. I do repair in the UV room and finishing. Any parts or anything that has any problems or rejects, it'll come to me, and then I will see if I can take care of those problems and then get it back on the line for finishing. I like painting and stuff. Anything creative. I love being creative. This is my second job. As soon as I was old enough to work here, this is where I came, and I've been here ever since. And the same thing for my sister. This is her first job. She's been here for 7 years. As soon as she got out of high school, she came here. Growing up, me and my siblings like drawing and painting and stuff together, and sometimes we would like work on one piece all together. So we would like draw something, and then my brother and my sister, they might erase whatever I drew, and they're like, no, that doesn't look good, let's do it like this. Like, we would critique each other, but it would always end up looking way better at the end. Like growing up in school, anytime it come to projects and stuff, that's what we do, and our dad would help us. We went all out, you know, we didn't just settle. Like, it wouldn't just be something we threw together one night. We might plan it like weeks ahead of time. I enjoy my job, and I enjoy being able to be creative with how I fix things and everything. And I would like to eventually find something where I can put a little bit more of my creativeness into my work. My training took about 2 months. And then now I'm in the position. I do a lot of collaboration with the other artists, which, you know, I'm used to the collaborating and stuff because working with my siblings and everything. I'm good at taking constructive criticism or collaborating, anything to make it better. I'm very grateful for the opportunities that Wellborn's given me to go from working in the paint room to in the office as a graphic artist. You know, I've enjoyed every position I've worked, but I do feel like this one is right for me.